Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ayan kami, MOA team, ready to go for the MAF Fun Run 2023 here in the Medan. Sa Medan kami guys. Ayan ang venue, nakarating kami. So, taking pictures. This is the starting point guys. Ang dami namin dito, nag-practice na kami for winning. Ayan, ang MOA team. Dami namin dito. In fairness, lahat ng mga branches nandito guys. At saka iba't ibang muffers, may manager, supervisor, at saka staff. This is the year of 2023. Ayan, tapos na kami dito tumakbo. May extrang gift ka guys pag nauna kang naka-finishing line. MOA team, halos lahat kami dito. May mga prizes. Ayan, picture yan, blues, para may souvenir kami dito sa MAF Fun Run 2023 here in the Medan, Dubai. Guys, I'm here inside the awarding area.
A few moments later.
This is the starting point, guys. See, here we are, ready to run. This is MAF Fun Run 2023. Yan, mga manager, supervisor, and staff on different branches of Carrefour Hypermarket. Ito yung 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers, guys. So, ang dami namin dito. We will see kung sino nanalo. Ito yung area. Ayan. 5 kilometers, guys, ang tinakbo ko. Finally, thanks God, nanalo ako dito. First runner-up for the women. Ayan, may gift ako. And the medal. Thank you MAF Majid Alpha team for the gift and the medal. Yan, may souvenir kaming lahat guys ng mga runners, may souvenir na medal. Thank you so much for viewing my live. Pauwi and close na kami guys. Ayan, thank you sa mga gift namin and mga awards namin. Bye bye, God bless.
Just click the button, huwag niyong kakalimutan subscribe.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and likes and watch our another videos. So, stay tuned. Follow us guys. See ya next time.
Bye.
God bless. Bye.